morning children, welcome to your English text session. And as we have already read the chapter and completed the book work also, today we are going to start with the copy work of chapter number 3, that is the sweet porridge. So children, you are quickly required to take out all the stationery you want for doing your work. Okay? So children, now we will begin with our copy work. So firstly, we will begin with the dictation words. Okay, in the same manner we used to do date, chapter number, chapter name and class work. Drawing a red line over here, in the very first line you will write dictation words itself. In the very first line itself. Then number 1. Number 1, presented. Presented. Presented means gifted. Number 2, porridge. Number 2 is porridge. Okay, Porridge, porridge. Number 3, overflowing means pouring out, coming out from the pot. Over, O-V-E-R, flowing, F-L-O-W-I-G, overflowing. Generous, G-E-N-E-R-O-U-S, generous, G-E-N-E-R-O-U-S, generous means kind and helpful, always ready to share. Hurriedly, H-U-R-R-I-E-D-L-Y means quickly. Next, survived, S-U-R-V-I-V-E-D, survived means lived. Helpful means always ready to help somebody. Amazing, A-M-A-Z-I-N-G, amazing. Amazing means Anna was feeling amazing after getting the magic pot na, so she was feeling wonderful. Excited, E-X-C-I-T-E-D, excited means she was very happy to see the magic pot and she was very excited. Now she can cook and eat the porridge anytime she feels hungry. Next is covered, C-O-V-E-R-E-D, covered. Okay, to cover anything. Satisfied, S-A-T-I-S-F-I-E-D, satisfied means she was fulfilled, means she had enough porridge that now her tummy was full. So satisfied means she was fulfilled now. Reward, the old women rewarded Anna. So R-E-W-A-R-D, reward. Street, S-T-R-E-E-T, street. Magic pot, M-A-G-I-C, magic, P-O-T, pot. Collecting, C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-N-G, collecting means to gather. So these are the 15 difficult words or the dictation words you have to do in your text copy itself, and after you have done you will draw a red line. Children, the first letter of every word will be written in capitals. Okay. Now you will move to the next page. Again red margins, again chapter number, chapter name and word meanings. Okay. Now children, these are the word meanings of the same chapter, but this you have to do on a fresh page. Okay. After dictation words are over, you will do it on the next page. So you will write again the chapter number, chapter name, date and class work. Beginning with word meaning. Number 1, presented. So this way you will write the words In between you will draw a line, and on the right side you will write the meanings of these words. So presented means gifted something. To gift something is known as to present something. Number 2, porridge. As I told you, it is dalia. So it is a type of cereal that is boiled in water or in milk. If you want to have sweet porridge, you can boil it in milk, and if you want a salted porridge, you have to boil it in water with salt and other spices. Okay? Overflowing. Overflowing means coming out from the pot. So flowing over the edges. Edges means flowing over the end. Okay, so the end of the pot was filled and it was coming out from the pot. Hurriedly means quickly. Hurriedly means very quickly. Generous means being kind to others. So generous means kind, being kind. So these are the 5 word meanings. So after this you will draw a red line. And now we will move to the make sentences. Okay, after word meanings you will leave a line, you will draw the red line, and then you will leave that line, and below the red line you will write make sentences. Okay, so children, these are your make sentences. After leaving a line, after word meanings, you will write make sentences. The first one is porridge. The first make sentence is porridge. So porridge is very healthy for breakfast. Okay, porridge is a very healthy breakfast. Kind, we should be kind to all living beings. हमें सारे living beings से, be it animals, birds, human beings, poor, rich, we should be kind to everybody. Excited. Anna was very excited about the magic pot. So when Anna got the magic pot, she was very excited. She was so happy that now she can eat the porridge anytime. So she was very excited about the magic pot. Surprise. My friend was surprised to see me in the mall. My friend was surprised to see me at the mall. In the mall. So here I have written surprised, but you will say, ma'am, you have written surprised here. So children, the word should be same. The tense you can change. This is the present tense and this is the past tense. So you can use the past tense of the word given. It is not a problem. Okay. Now, hungry. So the sentence with hungry is, we should always feed the hungry people. If we see any hungry people on the road, or if we see any beggar on the roadside, we should always help them. We should always feed them. Okay. So children, after this you will draw a red line and you will end your work for today. In the next session we will continue with who said to whom and the question answers of this chapter. So this is all for today. Children, you keep completing your work on time, as I can ask for the copies any day. Okay. So this is all for today. Till we meet in the next session. Bye-bye. Have a good day and take care of yourself.